Hello, welcome to Android Solution. Subscribe, and click the bell icon to get notification when we upload a new. This is Tecno K7, a hard reset. In this tutorial today, we are going to hard reset Tecno K7. We hold the volume up and power key together for a second and release the power key when you see the Tecno logo. Keep holding the power up until you see the menu. Then scroll down using the power key, using the volume, and select the power key. You see I selected, and now go to yes, agree to delete all and wipe data. So now your phone is wiped. Click on power button to reboot the phone. Yes. So after the reboot, then you are good to go. It will take longer than usual because you wipe the phone, you wipe the data. So now it's going to start afresh. You have to wait for the phone to boot. So now we are going to wait together. Yeah, the reason for hard reset usually occurs when you forgot password, when the phone used to give you some kind of problems, especially if it's used to stuck due to low memory or similar things. But make sure you do the backup of all your documents before you start to hard reset your phone. So now we are waiting because it used to take a minute. When you forget your password, when you forget your pin or pattern, you can hard reset your phone. But make sure it is your phone. Don't do it on the stolen phone. If you dare do it, you are responsible for your action. We are not liable to any. This video is for educational purpose only. And we are still waiting. Oh, it's about to be done. Yes, we are almost there. Boom. Now it is done. You see, you can just click and skip continue setting of your phone.